Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm DejaxAaliyah or Deja Lee, and I'm back with another hair review for you guys. So today I'm reviewing this Sensational Vice Unit 10, and let's get right into the video. So as per usual, I ordered this wig from Ebonyline.com. And y'all know, if you watch my videos, you know I am a sensational girl, okay? I love me a sensational wig. So y'all know I'm always talking about how sensational never let me down, blah blah blah, whatever. But listen, alright? So literally, as soon as I took this wig out the box and placed it on my head, the lace ripped. Like, it just completely ripped. I did fix it to the best of my ability, but yeah. So let's get into this wig. All right, I really did want this wig in one of the other colors that it comes in, because this wig does come in a bunch of fire colorways. So I am definitely gonna buy this wig again in another color, and I'm gonna do it all over. We're gonna see. Sorry guys, my camera cut off, but like I was saying, so I'm definitely gonna buy this wig again and install it again and see how it goes, because I really do like this wig, but that whole lace ripping thing kind of threw me off, because what's going on? So aside from the lace ripping, once I took it out the box and placed it on my head, there was like a couple tracks. It was like one on this side and then one on this side where the tracks were loose. So I don't know what's going on. Sensational has never done me like this, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe the person, whatever was going on in the factory when they was constructing this wig, like maybe something went wrong, who knows. This was just, I don't know. All right, but that don't take away from the fact that this wig is still fire, okay? And this is not a sponsored video. This is my honest opinion. I'm not sponsored by Sensational, nothing like that. So this is my honest opinion. I bought this wig with my own money, so I have absolutely no reason to, you know, come in here and try to cap about how I feel about this wig. So like I was saying, this wig is really pretty. It comes in a bunch of different fire colors. Like, let me show you the card. So yeah, this is the card. I want to try this color. I actually want to try all the colors, like the actual colors that it comes in, the bright colors or whatever. I do want to try them, but they're sold out everywhere, so I had to get this color. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really feeling this color. Like, Sensational really does their thing with the highlighted wigs. Like, they be doing their thing with these highlights. So yeah, other than that, it did tangle a little bit, which is to be expected. It's a synthetic wig. There's no synthetic wig on this planet that's not gonna tangle. So as I'm running my fingers through it right now, though, it's not tangling. I can say that the shedding is minimal. That seems like a trend for Sensational wigs. Like, the shedding is always minimal, like nothing. Right, we got two strands right here, but honestly I have a ring on. The ring might have been pulling on it, so yeah, I really do like this wig. So any wig that I see on my head is Big Fred Henley. Okay, rewind. Any wig that y'all see on my head is big head friendly, because I am a big head girl, okay? So y'all don't even have to ask that when y'all see a wig on my head. Unless I tell y'all that a wig is not big head friendly, then if it's on my head, it's big head friendly, because your girl got a big head, alright? So yeah, I really like this wig. I love the layers. Like, I love how it shapes my face because, listen, my face been getting fat. I don't know what's going on. I've been getting a little weight though. Your girl getting a little thick, I'm not gonna lie. But my face been getting kind of fat. I really like the way that this falls and it shapes my face. So yeah, so here we go. But this is what I was talking about when I said the track was loose. Like, it's really, y'all probably can't even see it on camera, but it's literally just the corner piece of the track is just sticking up. And personally, that bothers me. Like, that bothers me a lot. I hate when that happens to my wigs. So I mean, it's still, that don't take away from the wig really. I just hate that I could feel it when I go like this. I'm gonna end up cutting it because it is actually sticking out. Like, can y'all see that? There y'all go. Y'all can see that. I know y'all can see that. This little thing sticking up. Let me see. I'm trying to put my hand behind it so y'all can see it. There we go. That little piece just sticking up. Like, it needs to be seen. Like, you don't need to be seen, girl. But not yet. Anyway, this wig is fire. I'm not gonna lie. I really love this wig. I want every single color that it comes in. I'm gonna give this wig like a, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 just because the lace rips and this little piece sticking up. Like, I would give it an 8, but the fact that everything else about the wig is so fire, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 9. So don't think that this is a bad review, okay? Those were just the 2 cons of this wig. Everything else, great. I love it. So this wig, nah, I look mad good right now. I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself a little bit. But as I said in one of my other videos, that's what Sensational does, okay? You are gonna be feeling yourself in a sensational wig. So get yourself this wig, girl. And truthfully, like, I feel like this color that's on the card and on the packages, whatever, it, like, it took away from the fact that the highlighted ones is really fire, because it's like, it's just more natural looking to me. It's not doing too much, you know. Like, this is cute. I want to try it because I know it's gonna look OD on me. I'm not gonna lie, but I do love the natural highlighted color. Like, it just looks way more natural to me. So yeah, I did put some concealer on the parting space on this wig. The parting space on this wig was decent actually. Like, if I didn't want it to look even more natural, I didn't have to put the concealer on this part. But with the concealer on the part, of course, it just looks way more natural. It is a T-part wig, so really you just get the part and you get some lace in the front if it don't rip. So yeah, I'm feeling myself right now, so I suggest y'all go and get this wig, alright? I'm never gonna say y'all wrong. So if y'all see me in a wig saying I like it, then you can go get it, okay? Because you're gonna love it. If I like it, y'all gonna love it. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.